Okay, flutophone people, time for number 60. All right. Now, I'm going to play what's exactly on this page here, which you're going to kind of find interesting. Here goes. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, there's something missing. That's correct. They left notes out. Those evil people. Notice underneath it says, draw in the missing notes for Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star before you play. All right, so here's the thing. I'm assuming you guys know Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but just in case you don't, and just because I feel like doing it, I'm going to sing it, okay? Just in case you don't know it. All right, here I go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ta-da! All right, now, time signature is 2/4. What does that tell you? 2 beats per measure, right? What kind of note gets 1 beat? The quarter note, that's correct. Now, in the first measure, notice that you have TT, also known as eighth notes, right? How much is each eighth note worth? And if you said a half a beat, you're correct. Even though those 2 eighth notes are connected together by what we call a beam on the bottom, they are in fact 2 separate notes, T, T. Each one of them is half a beat long. So if you add a half and a half together, you get 1. So we're supposed to have 2, right? Because it says 2/4, so we're missing a beat. And you can see that blank there that they put in. Okay, it's kind of obvious that something's missing. Now, the thing is, you could put in that a pair of eighth notes, another TT, or you could put a quarter note in there, or you could put a quarter rest. All right, and that's all that we can possibly put in that space because we only have 1 beat. All right, so now the question is, what do you think is missing? Do you think it's a pair of eighth notes, a quarter note, or a quarter rest? Ding, 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 ding. Okay, the answer is a pair of eighth notes. So it's going to go T, 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 T. Now then the next question is, if you know that they're eighth notes, but what pitch? All right, we start with B flat. What does your ear tell you when you hear twinkle, twinkle? Does it tell you higher or lower? Ding, 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 ding. That's the Jeopardy theme. Okay, so hopefully you came up with the answer that they sound higher. Okay, so those notes are higher. So then what you do is you just do a little bit of investigating. You got, and then you could try. That doesn't sound like it to me. Still doesn't sound like it to me. All right, and then you go through the notes that you know. It is going to be notes that you know, all right? And try to figure out what it is, okay? And then you just go through the rest of the piece in the same manner. You just decide whether it's a pair of eighth notes, a quarter note, or a quarter rest, and then try to figure out what the pitch is. Use your ear to tell you generally if it's up or down. And if you can tell how far away it is, too, that's always useful, okay? But, you know, just do trial and error, and then pencil it in. Always use pencil. Have fun.